Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Pro Tattoo Kits is probably one of the most exciting and crucial investments a budding or even experienced tattoo artist can make, as it lays the foundation for your entire artistic journey and the quality of work you'll produce, impacting everything from the precision of your lines to the vibrancy of your colors and the comfort of your clients during the tattooing process. Number 5. Dragonhawk Traditional Pro Tattoo Kit. Introducing the Dragonhawk Traditional Pro Complete Tattoo Kit. This kit is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for beginners and aspiring tattoo artists. It includes everything you need to get started, such as 2 machines, color ink, power supplies, disposable needles, and grips. We've made it incredibly easy to use, ensuring a smooth learning curve for anyone new to the art of tattooing. Despite its beginner-friendly design, this kit offers professional-grade components for quality results. With this comprehensive set, you have the tools to bring your artistic visions to life. Start your tattooing journey today. What we like. This kit comes with 2 machines, making it incredibly versatile for different tattooing styles. It's designed for ease of use, perfect for those just starting out. If you are a beginner or starter artist looking for a comprehensive package to begin your tattooing journey, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The motor runs smoothly and quietly, providing a consistent and stable power output for precise tattooing. The ergonomic design of the machine ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during long sessions. The kit includes a variety of needle cartridges, allowing for versatility in different tattooing techniques and styles. Number 4. Dragonhawk Pro Wired Tattoo Pen Kit. Introducing the Dragonhawk Pro Wired Tattoo Pen Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional tattooing. This kit is designed for both beginners and experienced artists alike. Experience precision with its 3.5mm stroke, perfect for both intricate lining and smooth shading. Achieve flawless results with every use. This complete starter kit includes everything you need to begin your tattooing journey. It comes with 20 high-quality cartridge needles for versatility. Crafted with a lightweight aluminum body, it ensures comfort during long tattooing sessions. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing for greater control. The kit also features a reliable power supply, providing consistent power for your work. Get started with confidence and create stunning art. What we like. Featuring a 3.5mm stroke, this pen is great for both lining and shading. Its lightweight aluminum body ensures comfort during long sessions. If you are a beginner looking for a reliable wired pen kit that offers versatility and technique, this is a solid option to consider. What people say. The machine is very powerful and runs smoothly. The needles are sharp and penetrate the skin easily. The ink is vibrant and lasts a long time. Number 3. Mast Fold Pro Wireless Tattoo Kit MY032. Experience the freedom of wireless tattooing with our Advanced Fold Pro Kit. It's designed for artists who demand both power and portability. Equipped with 2 high-capacity batteries, this machine ensures uninterrupted creativity. You can complete multiple sessions without needing to recharge. The ergonomic pen design offers exceptional control and comfort. Achieve intricate details and smooth lines with ease. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to start tattooing right away. Needles and cartridges are provided for your convenience. Elevate your artistry with a reliable and high-performing tattoo machine. It's the perfect companion for both studio and on-the-go artists. What we like. Enjoy the freedom of wireless operation with 2 included batteries for uninterrupted work. The foldable design adds to its portability and convenience. If you value mobility and the ability to work without being tethered, this kit is ideal for artists on the go or those who prefer a clutter-free setup. What people say. The motor runs smoothly and quietly, providing a consistent and stable power output for precise tattooing. The ergonomic design of the pen allows for comfortable grip and control during long tattooing sessions, reducing hand fatigue. The kit includes a variety of needle cartridges that are sharp and durable, ensuring clean lines and smooth shading. Number 2. Dragonhawk Atom2 PMU Kit. Introducing the Dragonhawk Atom2, a versatile PMU machine designed for both cordless freedom and corded reliability. It's perfect for artists who need flexibility in their workspace. Keep your sessions going without interruption. With 2 rechargeable batteries, you can easily swap them out during long training days or studio work, ensuring your machine is always ready. Master different techniques with ease. It features 5 preset modes for eyebrows, eyeliner, and lips, plus a memory function that recalls your last setting for faster transitions. Experience unparalleled comfort and control. Weighing just 111 grams, its lightweight, pen-style design minimizes hand strain during detailed facial PMU work. Everything you need to start is included. This comprehensive kit comes with the machine, batteries, RCA adapter, needles, ink, and practice skin, making it ideal for students and apprentices. We're here to support your artistic journey. Dragonhawk offers dedicated support for setup, accessories, and any questions you may have, ensuring a smooth workflow. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for permanent makeup, PMU, with 5 preset modes for different procedures. Its ultra-lightweight pen design minimizes hand strain during detailed facial work. If you are focused on PMU, such as eyebrows, eyeliner, or lips, and prioritize comfort and precision for delicate procedures, this is the machine for you. What people say. The machine is very quiet and has minimal vibration. It's a great starter kit with everything you need to begin tattooing. The pen is lightweight and comfortable to hold for long periods. Number 1. Solong Tattoo Complete Kit TK453 US. Introducing the Solong Tattoo Complete Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional tattooing. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to get started. It includes 4 high-performance tattoo machines, a vibrant selection of 54 inks, and all the essential accessories like a power supply, foot pedal, needles, grips, and tips. This kit comes neatly organized in a durable carry case, making it perfect for both studio use and on-the-go artists. The machine color may vary, adding a unique touch to your setup. Experience the quality and versatility that Solong Tattoo is known for. This kit is designed to meet the demands of both aspiring and experienced tattoo artists. Elevate your craft with this complete package. Get ready to create stunning artwork with confidence and ease. What we like. With 4 machines and 54 inks, this kit offers incredible value and variety for color work. It includes everything you need, even a carry case for easy transport. If you are looking for a complete package with a vast array of colors and multiple machine options to explore different styles and techniques, this kit is a fantastic all-in-one solution. What people say. The motor is powerful and runs smoothly, allowing for precise line work and shading. The grip is ergonomic and comfortable to hold for extended periods, reducing hand fatigue. The kit includes a variety of needle cartridges that are sharp and durable, ensuring clean and consistent results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.